Hi, I'm Rocky Griggs with A2B Apps, and today in this short video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for using Salesforce accounts and contacts. Before we get started, let me just give you a little background on who we are. I am a certified Salesforce admin, developer, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud consultant, and have a team of folks highly certified behind me to meet any of your Salesforce needs. But let's get to the agenda. We're going to cover 4 basic topics, mostly dealing with data inside of Salesforce. First thing we're going to do is show you how you can prevent some of that dirty data getting into the system. We're going to show you how you can enhance data once it's in the system. And we're going to help you solve some common challenges with account names and confusing customer hierarchy. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to go into a Salesforce environment that looks familiar probably to many of you, and you can see right here that we are on an account record, and one of the things that we see is that there is someone that has put FLA as the abbreviation for Florida, and most of us know that that is not correct. Sometimes people will spell it out, sometimes not correctly. And then we have billing country, which some people take liberty with US of A, USA, United States. So it makes it really challenge for from a data perspective. The good news is that within Salesforce, you can now enable country and state pick lists. This is found under the data management portion of the setup. And what this allows you to do is now standardize based on ISO standards the billing countries and even the states. And so we can see here's a list here of the countries. So if I have selected, United States, what we can see is that it now has given me the states, the 50 states, as well as spelled them out for me in case you don't know how to spell Massachusetts or Louisiana, which is me. So this will enable you to really clean up the data. Now, if you haven't turned it on yet, never fear. There are some steps that you can take. It's a pretty straightforward process to walk through to convert values from the old values to what is in compliance with ISO. So really great feature for you to check out. The next thing we're going to do is look at accounts and how we can enhance information. So if we've got an account like AMA and we don't have any contacts yet for it and we want to build out our database for marketing reasons, we can click on the Get Contacts, and I've got data.com set up in the background. And what this is going to allow me to do is take a look at by level and department the contacts that are available. And you can see here that we can quickly select them from a list and we can add those to Salesforce. Really great feature. You can use it with leads as well so that you can build out marketing campaigns. Going to the contact information, let's see how we can enhance that. And everybody's got a LinkedIn page and you want to see what someone's previous experience is and find some things to talk about. You can turn on the social connections that allow you to integrate with LinkedIn, and this will give you that person's profile. Twitter works the same way. There is integration with Facebook. You can select certain ones not to make available. So if your company doesn't allow YouTube or you don't want people on Facebook, you can not show those. So we can select which ones that we want our users to have an opportunity to use. Now going back to the account, we're still on this data challenge and how do we ensure that we've got clean data. So if we look at one of the most common places that there's confusion is account name, and many customers struggle with how to use this account name. Should I try to include the location? Because we work with several locations. The company name's the same, but we want to indicate very quickly and be able to see what location this particular account is, because there are contacts at certain locations, there are assets and opportunities at those locations. There's a field that sometimes is removed from the page, and it's called account site. And the reason this is helpful is this is primarily for locations. So you can put the New York office, you can put the Atlanta office, and the great thing about that field is it addresses one of the biggest headaches that people have with this view hierarchy page, is that you can't customize this page out of the box and change the columns displayed. So you might as well find a use for that site field. So if you're looking at the customer hierarchy, you can see the different offices that this company has. Really cool feature. Now, for those of you who are not quite ready to jump into associating parents and children accounts, and we've had a lot of customers say, can't you just get rid of the view hierarchy link? Well, you can do that. You go to Setup, and under Setup, Customize, and go to your accounts. And then down here at the bottom, we have Settings. And you will see I can uncheck that, and that will remove that link from all account page layouts so that users no longer have to worry about that view hierarchy page. So we hope that some of these tips and tricks will help save your time and some money in supporting your Salesforce org. With any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on our website or check out some of our other best practices on our YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching.